Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an empties video. So if you want to see all the products I've used up in about the last month, then keep watching. Alright, so as usual, I'm just going to show you the product, give you a mini review, and tell you if I would repurchase it or not. I don't have a whole lot like the last time. First is this Nivea In Shower Body Lotion. It is the cocoa butter one. This is for dry to very dry skin. I really like this, and I would definitely repurchase this again for the winter because it really did help any dry skin that I had. Next, we have these shampoo and conditioner samples. These are the Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacy shampoo and conditioner. I liked these. I didn't love them. I actually got another sample of them from Pinch Me. I don't know why I got like two of the same things, but they were okay. I'm not really a fan of sample conditioner and shampoos like this because I feel like they don't give you enough, but I'm not really like a fan of how my hair felt after, so I probably wouldn't purchase full sizes of these. Next product is this St. Ives Rise and Energize Coconut and Coffee Scrub. I really like this. I did a whole entire review on it. I actually recently picked up a Beauty 360 scrub that's like similar to this. Beauty 360 is like CVS's brand, only because I didn't really have time to like run to Target. CVS is just closer to me, and that one's just, it's okay. I've only used it once or twice, but this is my favorite. I just love how it smells, and next time I'm at Target and I need an exfoliator, I'm definitely picking this one up. Next up is this Maui Moisture Strength and Anti-Breakage Agave Mask, and this is good for chemically damaged hair. I actually really like this. I like this better than the shampoos, so I would definitely repurchase the hair masks from Maui Moisture rather than their shampoo and conditioners. This made my hair feel really soft and smooth, and it made it feel healthy again. Before I dyed my hair black and like a darker brown over the summer, I had bleached my hair a lot, so this really helped with that because my hair was pretty dead from bleaching it, and I also just never cut my hair because I'm too lazy. So this kind of like helps my hair be healthy again, and I really like the smell, so I definitely want to try another mask from them. I think the one problem with their masks for me is some of them had nuts in it, like macadamia nut oil or something like that, and that I obviously can't use. So yeah, I'd probably just pick this one up again, or if there's one without nuts in it. Next, I have this Pink Wild and Breezy body mist. This is one of my favorite body mists, but I think they discontinued it. I asked for these for Christmas, and my mom said she had a really hard time finding them, and she asked the manager at Victoria's Secret, and he said that they were discontinuing or something like that, which is a bummer because this one is such a good smell. It's just so nice and fresh, and it makes you just smell like you just got out of the shower in a weird way, and I really liked it. So I'm really sad that this is discontinued, but I have other ones. I'm sure you can tell back there, and I'll just have to, you know, branch out and try big girl smells. Another Maui Moisture product. These are the Thicken and Restore Bamboo Fibers shampoo and conditioner. This is for weak and brittle hair. I don't really have weak or brittle hair, but I just thought it would like maybe thicken my hair up a little bit, which I don't really know if it did or didn't do. I honestly did not see a difference in my hair after using these. Like I said before, I wouldn't really repurchase the shampoo and conditioners from Maui Moisture. I'd rather purchase the hair masks instead. The last shampoo and conditioner I have, I promise, and this is the Schwarzkopf, such a hard name to say, Gliss Hair Repair with Liquid Keratin Ultra Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. This is for dry, stressed hair, and it has intense hydration and softness. I liked these. Didn't love these. I really like the packaging for these travel bottles because they twist off. It's not like the Tresemme ones where it's like the push down cap thing. I don't know. Again, didn't really see a difference in my hair. Didn't notice if it was more hydrated or less hydrated or anything like that. It was just okay. They did smell nice though. Would I repurchase these? Maybe. The only thing is I never see Schwarzkopf anywhere. I know it's supposed to be at Walmart because I got these in my Walmart beauty box, but I never see it at Walmart unless I just don't look for it. I don't know. But maybe next time I will try these. I don't know. I normally just grab whatever shampoo looks interesting to me, to be completely honest. Next up is this Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. It's just like a gel cream. It reminded me of the like Neutrogena Hydro Gel Boost. Is that what it's called? And like the Beauty 360 one that I always talk about a lot. I used up literally every single bit of this. I liked it. It really did help hydrate my skin, but I did feel like my skin felt a little tight and dry in some areas. It felt best like around my nose area because that part of my face is always dry, and around my eyes because my eyelids have been really dry lately. I really do like the packaging of this as well. I like the purple and the blue. Like that's one of my favorite color combinations. I know it's kind of weird, but whatever. But I don't think I would repurchase this only because it is kind of pricey. The full size this is just like a travel size or sample size. I would rather go to CVS and just get the Beauty 360 one. That one's like between $10 and $15 or something like that, and this is like over $20, I think. Next up is this No. 7 Early Defense Glow Activating Serum, and it's suitable for sensitive skin. I have pretty sensitive skin, and I can vouch that it was pretty good. Didn't irritate my skin at all. I got this from this app called Poshly. I'll leave a link down below for it. It's kind of like Influencer. You kind of just answer questions like all the time, and it makes you eligible for stuff. It's kind of weird because like it'll say you get a free sample, but sometimes it's not there, sometimes it is. It's very weird. It's kind of hit or miss, but I say try it out anyway because you may have better luck than I do. I don't know. But I liked this. It did add a little bit of glow to my face when I wasn't wearing makeup. When I would wear makeup, I didn't really notice like if it added an extra glow to my skin or anything. The one thing is, this is pricey. This obviously isn't a full size, it's just like a sample size. The full size is like $22 or something like that. And I feel like there are cheaper glow serums out there that I would rather try that are like less than $10. So probably won't repurchase this one, but I really want to try other No. 7 products. So if you know of any, let me know in the comments down below. The next product that I have here is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. I really like this. I mentioned this in my February favorites, I think it was, and it's amazing. It's really, really good. It hydrates my skin. It makes my skin feel super clean and soft, and it's a really good cleansing gel. I don't know why I like cleansing gels so much. I just like the way that they make my skin feel, I guess. So if you guys know of any good skin cleansers that are like a hydrating gel like this, let me know. I've tried the simple one. That one's one of my favorites as well, but if there's other brands that I should try, again, let me know. The next thing is this Elysia Naturals 3-in-1 face cleansing paper. I did a whole review on this. I liked these, but I will not repurchase them because they are very, very pricey, and I'm not spending $55 on 50 sheets. I did the math for a blog post, and for the year it's like I think it was like $760 or something like that. It was ridiculous. I'm not spending that much on a cleanser. No. So I'm not repurchasing this ever. Next up is the MAC Fix Plus. I really like this. It was really nice. I liked it to wet my brushes, to make like shimmer shades more shimmery, to set my face, to prime my face. I liked it more to prime my face because I felt like it made my foundation just look more dewy, and I really love a dewy look. I definitely want to repurchase this again, so I'll probably order it through Ulta. That way I can use points or a coupon or something because MAC doesn't offer discounts, and I don't have a MAC store anywhere near me. Next, I have these two perfume samples. They are from the brand Body Fantasies, and it's from their layering collection. I got these in my Walmart beauty box as well. This one is the Cozy Cotton, and then this is their Tropical Wish, and you layer them together, and it smelled so good. It was just like this really nice, fresh, floral-y scent. It smells so nice. I really liked it, and I really want to pick up full sizes of these because they're just smell so good, and I actually really like them. And I'm, like I said before, I'm really picky with my perfumes and scents, and so yeah, it was a miracle that I liked these. And the last thing is my Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara sample. I love this mascara. It's so good. It makes your lashes so long, and they look so voluminous. And it's definitely worth the money if you get the full size. I think it's $25, which isn't that bad, I don't think, for like a high-end mascara, because this one actually works and it lasted me a very long time. I feel like it's just at that point now where it's just way too dried out and the brush is getting gross. So we're parting ways, and I may repurchase a full size in the future. And that is it for this Empties video. What products have you finished up? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's chat about it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!